Hi everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'll be showing you what we received in the April glow-in-the-dark Sophie and Toffee Elves box, as well as show you how to make a stained glass deer design that also glows in the dark. So in this Elves box we received some black and 5 random colours of glow-in-the-dark 3D UV resin, some water-based acrylic colours, a random design acrylic animal, an LED light, fairy lights, clear plastic sheets, 5 random colours of glow-in-the-dark glitters, a page of astronaut designs, a 3D house design, and finally some double-sided tape. So to begin, I took the acrylic deer design from the box, and the first thing you need to do is remove the brown paper backing from the back of the acrylic piece, and once you peel it off, it's obviously nice and clear. I then took my black glow-in-the-dark UV resin as well as these colours of acrylic paint because I wanted to go for a sunset kind of colour palette, and then I also found some glitters that match these colours as well. Some of these glitters are the glow-in-the-dark ones from the Sophie and Toffee Elves box, and some are just from my own collection. I then moved on to outlining the deer design using the black 3D resin, and I'm beginning by going all around the edge parts and using the design that is etched into the plastic to guide where I'm applying it. I also realized now as I'm editing this video that I didn't actually show it on camera, but between each little part that I did outline, I actually cured it under my UV light to harden it, as it is a UV resin. So once I had done all the outside, I then went back in and did the lines on the inside of the deer for the stained glass look, as well as the antlers up on the top. Once all of that resin had completely cured under my UV light, it was then time to start applying the paint that came in the box. So like I said, I was going for a sunset kind of color palette. So here I'm just applying each colors just randomly, but also kind of strategically so that none of the same color is next to each other, if that makes sense. I found that this 3D paint was really easy to apply, and I also love the range of colors that we received in the box as well. I think receiving a whole packet of colors was great because it really gives you the options to kind of create whatever design that you like. Then straight after I added the paint, I then used a toothpick to apply the different glow-in-the-dark glitters as well as my own glitters, and these just stuck straight to the paint because I did it while it was still wet. Once I had applied all the glitter and finished off my design, all I did was let it dry overnight for 24 hours, and then this is what my finished piece looks like once I add it into the light up base. So as you can see, this is a really simple but effective craft, and I love the way that it turned out, especially when it's lit up in the dark. It looks really effective. And then of course, as well as being lit up by the actual light box underneath, the resin is also 3D as well as the glitter, so it does also glow in the dark. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel for lots more crafty videos, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.